Hey everyone, and welcome to Shuriken Skills number 45 here in the Work Smarter Not Harder dojo with me, Tony Harmer, aka the Design Ninja. And what we're going to be looking at in this movie and over the next 2 days is on-image editing in Photoshop. And I'm going to start with this image here, and I'd like to give it just a little bit of a lift. And so I'm going to add a curves adjustment layer. So if I click to add that and then move across to the top of the panel, you can see this icon here, which incidentally I like to refer to as stapler accident finger. But I'm going to click on that to select it and then just move out into the image. And I'm here looking at the midtones, and actually the histogram is showing me where I am. So I'm pretty much on the money there. I'm just going to mouse down and drag upwards, and you can see I can change the curve there, and that's almost exactly what I wanted to do here. But just to show you, I can move into some other ranges and change those. So I've moved into the shadows there. I can move into the highlights and bring those down as well. And of course you can click on whatever parts of your image you think need a bit of a lift or dampening down a bit. But that's it. It really is that easy, and it's your Shuriken skill to practice today. Over the next 2 days, you'll discover a couple of other places where you can use on-image editing, but for today, we're done. And I'll see you tomorrow for another Shuriken Skills episode. See ya.